I'm rocking 3 bundles. Each are 32 inches, straight hair, and I have a 22-inch 360 frontal. Yeah, and this hair is from elfinhair.com. New company. I've never tried elfinhair.com, and I already have like the best experience with them. First of all, this is literally my new favorite wig. I've been wearing it for like a few days now, and you guys know I change my wig almost every day. It's just so easy to put on. It's so easy to just throw on and go. Like, the frontal is absolutely perfect. The frontal was perfect with the Got2b. Literally, I just put the Got2b gel. You will see in a little bit later on in the video the spray, and it literally just like was so tight on my head. It's so snug, so easy to put on. Plucking was super easy. The frontal looks super natural, as you guys can see. It just looks super natural. I mean, come on now. It looks really blendable, natural, good, unclockable, unstoppable. The hair is easy to straighten. The hair does not tangle, y'all. I washed the hair. After I installed the hair, I did wash it. I conditioned it. It came out the same as it was when I first got it. The shine was still there. The shine is still there after washing and conditioning it. This hair is like, this is one of my go-to favorite like straight middle part black wigs, and the fact that it's 32 inches, I really love Elfin's hair. Just a great experience with it. Like I said, no tangling, no shedding. I feel like this wig is going to last a really long time. I just have a really good feeling it is. I have any brittly ends. As you can see, there's nothing brittle about these ends at all. Nope. No brittly ends. And it still has its shine. It's not bumpy right here as well. When I first installed it, this part was like bumpy on top. All you literally have to do is just wash it, condition it, and then use some Got2b Angel, I forgot the name. I'm going to link it down below. It's a heat protecting balm that you use to flat iron your hair. I sprayed that all over the hair, and I sprayed it on the frontal, and it just came right down, so it's super flat.